day, ladies and gentlemen. This is Marc from Deamon Dezignz. Here we have a very, very old fireplace. This thing is, the people I bought this from, the gentleman's grandfather used it. So I'm going to do a restoration. It's for a client. Going to do a restoration job on this one. So you can see this thing apparently is very, very old, but it is old. I think it's been restored before, but yeah, not sure how they did it because I see red oxide, but yeah, it's going to take a lot of cleaning and then a coat of high heat black. So yeah, it looks very familiar, but you know, we shall see. Thanks, guys. Hi, ladies and gentlemen, and here's the fireplace. Nicely cleaned up, restored. Yeah, it was seriously dusty, but that's it there. Fire grill, you got your ash pan, painted all the way through to the back end here. So yeah, so there we go. Beautiful looking fireplace. This, I don't know, maybe I'm wrong, but I think this is stunning. So yeah, I even did a little over there, there's a little open sign there that I wire brushed and cleaned and covered it up so that it doesn't get paint. But yeah, I'll take a picture of that now. But there it is. How awesome is that? Thanks, guys.